how can I serve my Lord? So my advice to you is to travel light. Drop the baggage of yesterday, guard your mind, control your heart, and walk with the confidence of a believer who knows that Allah is in control. You are not a victim of your life. You are the master of your decisions. Peace is not something you find at the end of the road. It is how you walk the road. Smile at the tests. Be patient with the people and keep your heart attached only to the one who never dies. Let us end with a dua to seal this intention in our hearts. Allahumma anta salam wa minka salam. Tabarakta ya dhal jalali wal ikram. Allahumma inni as'aluka nafsan bika mutma'innatan tu'minu biliqa'ika wa tarda biqada'ika وتقنع بعطائك ربنا لا تجعل في قلوبنا غلا للذين آمنوا ربنا إنك رؤوف رحيم. O Allah, you are peace and from you comes peace. Blessed are you, O owner of majesty and honor. O Allah, I ask you for a soul that is reassured with you, that believes in meeting you, that is content with your decree, and is satisfied with your provision. Our Lord, do not place in our hearts any resentment toward those who have believed. Our Lord, indeed, you are kind and merciful.